Hey, this is Canarftus, and we're unboxing an Azeron gaming keypad. It's pretty awesome. Alright, I ordered an Azeron keypad, which I have been really excited about since I ordered it. Surprisingly, it did not take long to get here. I have to look at what today is, but I ordered this on the 8th, and it has arrived. I believe today is the 14th. It wasn't supposed to arrive until Wednesday. However, I got a notification 15 minutes before it arrived at my house that it was coming today, so that was really exciting. I'm terrible about opening boxes, apparently. Have you ever seen somebody struggle so much? Like a 2-year-old at Christmas. Come on. Before I stab myself. Any blood all over my mouse pad. Alright. This quick guide. Ooh. Look at that slick thing. I'm really happy that they've changed their packaging. I don't know if anybody's looked at, oops, bumped the camera. I don't know if anybody looked at any other openings, unboxings of the Azeron keypad, but they came with a ton of packing peanuts, basically just in the old box, or the original shipping box, and I ripped the lid off that. That's unfortunate. So now it comes in, I imagine, a more secure setup here. Cardboard, pull here. Got, what is this? Just an empty box? No, it's got stuff in it. Oh yeah, I got the alternate wrist pad, or wrist rest, and different attachments for the joystick and the little screwdrivers here. Oh boy. So, there it is. That is exciting. I did get the large. I've got a fairly large hand. Ooh. Just a quick overview. This is a 3D printed keypad. The thumb is a regular joystick. It's not actually buttons, it's 360 degrees. Although I believe you can program it to be buttons if your game doesn't support 360. It's quite a few buttons for each finger. Gonna take some getting used to, especially up here, but I am super excited for this. Fairly long cable, it looks like. Hopefully it's long enough. I'm gonna have it over here, and then it's got to reach my PC that's all the way over here. So I might need to get an extension, but that is and fully adjustable here. Let's go ahead and use the screwdriver to adjust one of these fingers. They recommend adjusting the pinky first for some reason. I guess that could make sense, but and make sure you don't over tighten these. These are all just plastic, but yeah, there we go. So it just slides back and forth, and then with this one you can adjust its positioning, the angle at least. So I am going to work on that and maybe provide an update on how to program all the keys. I primarily play World of Warcraft these days. However, I might test it out in some Fortnite as well. Kind of wish I'd had this a year ago, 2 years ago, when I first started playing Fortnite. It would have been very handy. But I got red and black. You can get a custom white, and then your keycaps can be whatever color. They have a lot of options for that. But I believe the white is a little more expensive. So, very cool. I'm excited.
Hey, one thing I forgot to point out is I got 2 different wrist pads. It comes with, this is called the flat one. I don't know how, best way to show it to you. It's, this is flat. It still has the curve right here, which I was confused about, because when I was ordering it, I didn't know if I wanted the flat or the curved, because obviously you want that to fit in your palm as best as you can. Give a little support and let it rest on there. So I got both because I wasn't sure what I was getting. And I heard a review of somebody saying the flat one would be better for somebody with bigger hands. And what they meant is if you have wide hands, the flat one is preferred. However, the curved is curved right here. So your wrist will sit in it and it will hug, well, you can't see that at all. It will hug the sides of your hands as long as it's your wrist is small enough to fit in there. And I think that's an important thing to point out. If I'd known that, I could have saved about $30 or so, 30 euros maybe. I forget the price of it. But I definitely wouldn't have bought the flat one had I known that it was just the wrist portion that's flat and not the part that goes in your palm. Otherwise, I'm very satisfied with the purchase. I do have a lot to learn still. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and I still have all kinds of misclicks. I'm nowhere near as good with it as I was with the keyboard, but I've been using the keyboard since, well over 20 years now, 25 years, something like that. So it'll take a little time to get used to, but I've enjoyed it so far. So I would highly recommend it if you're interested.